What's up guys? Today we are looking at the Joy i-snug2 i-size infant carrier. Look how happy that baby is. So it's lightweight, strong safety. It's 3.35 kilos. It feels lighter. I'm throwing this box like nothing. Instructions here. We'll just go over some of the features. So it's one of the lightest, just weighing at 3.35 kg. Extra i-size safe, so it has side impact certification, ISOFIX install. I don't know if the ISOFIX is included in this. We'll see when we open it up. Side impact protection, and also push chair compatible, but your stroller needs to have the add-ons, which I don't know if they're included. What's on this side? Ask for i-size. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's open this up. Just get rid of this. Don't want to stand on this. Here we go. Opening it. I'm surprised it doesn't come in plastic packaging. Oh, and that's it. Bit of styrofoam here. So this is where the ISOFIX base would connect onto here. Let me just get rid of the box. Is this supposed to go over? So this is the hood. Very tight. Is it supposed to be like this? That's the bottom, right? Baby would go in there. This is the belt buckle, plastic. Oh, the instructions are here. Let me just cut these off. Oh. Is that why? Oh, it just came off. I didn't cut anything. Let me just cut this. And this. Okay, that's annoying. The plastic tags connect here. I need to pull those off with the pliers later. This is what was kind of hanging on. Whoa, be careful. Okay, so I guess these are just instructions for, hey, it has the iBase 2 instructions here, but iBase is not included. Just size fitting styrofoam. Okay, just safety instructions. Okay. Don't know what this is for. Is it for the ISOFIX? Okay, so we take a close look here. It seems to be, yeah, these two buttons operate the carrier handle. I think this baby part is completely removable. Oh, the body part and the head part, I presume. Take this off. Is that Velcro? This part looks like it doesn't come off. That's weird. But it doesn't look like it's adjustable vertically. It only has the one set of shoulder straps here. It fit into there. ISOFIX is there. presume this is the latch, this is the safety latch for the ISOFIX. It's very lightweight. I don't know if these two are either. Alright, just first impressions. It is very lightweight. It seems to have all the safety features. All this stuff is like very foamy, cushiony. Great for not scratching the baby's skin. I have to figure out what this strap is for. Something to do with adjusting. Okay. So this strap goes all the way back here. So I think you can take off this whole back part here. There is a, let me try and see if I can do it. No. I think this hood extends almost halfway. I think this is removable. There's a button here, and there seems to be some kind of safety mechanism, which I just can't figure out right now. Alright, this is just the unboxing and first look at the i-snug. We'll do a proper review in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.